our 4-year-old Ignis, we have enough homeschool materials now for pre-K, but this year, Hello homeschoolers! For today's video, we are going to unbox these pre-K materials for Ignis. How old are you, babe? Our 4-year-old Ignis, we have enough homeschool materials now for pre-K, but this year, I decided to get preschool materials for my own sanity's sake. Ayan, ganito kami kagulo. For my own sanity's sake, kumuha ako ng homeschool materials from a local preschool dito sa Metro Manila. It's under the Busy Bees. The Busy Bees Learninghive Incorporated, and they are based in Pasig. I got the option 2 homeschool materials for Ignis. So that means hindi siya officially enrolled under Busy Bees, but we have all the materials for him for the whole school year. Ayan, so for the whole school year na ito. I got the early bird promo and nag-opt ako for a quarterly payment. So, okay, so are you ready to open the box, Iggs?
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, so we got this morning. We have the bag, and then we also have the box.
Mama, I see.
You see? Okay, so open natin first yung bag. Meron tayong bag, tapos may pangalan ni Ignis na nakasulat. Okay, let's start first. Iggs. Okay, we have here a bee. Busy Bees Learninghive, my preschool learning pack, and it has his name on it. Okay. So meron mga samples on how he can practice writing his name. Meron ito, calendar. Today is for the weather, and meron feelings for the day. Yes, baby. And then we have here, meron rin po. And then meron tayong,
Can you see?
dito lang, ito muna. First, ito muna. And then we have here, these are all laminated. So this is for the alphabet, the PDF. We have the alphabet. And then this is the all about me page. And then, oh look, there's a cake. There's a cake. And wow. Beehive. For
Beehive.
sa beehive. Oh. Then ito, there's some mga Velcro sa likod. For matching letters, that's a good activity. And then, there are bees. Okay. Ito naman, numbers naman to. Matching numbers. 2. Yes. Number 2. And then, we have here parts of the body. Yan. Also with Velcro. We have here shapes. Ayan. What's the shape? What's the shape? Square. Great. Okay. And then we have colors. Crayons. Ayan. So all of these are sa laminated na activity sheets. Here. And then next we have books. We have books. So we have the Sing, Spell, Read, and Write, the Off We Go, and the On Track book. So we have been using Sing, Spell, Read, and Write sa kapanganay ko pa lang. So very familiar na ako sa book na ito.
Can you drawing a bee?
Later, we'll draw the bee. So we have On Track and the Off We Go. So these are from the beehive from the kinder level. Okay, and then we also have here a math book for K1. Sa ibang lugar kasi K1, K2. So, para clear lang, yung pre-K, yung K1, that's for 4-year-olds, okay? And then we have another here, another textbook. This is for science. So, how many books do we have? Did you count?
4.
4. Great. And now, we'll go to the box. So here, I'll show them, baby. Let's show them the box. Here's the box. And it says your name. Ignis, Bumblebees, pre-kinder busy box for the first quarter. Okay, are you ready? Uh-huh. Ready to open? Dito here. Ready? 1, 2. What's there? Wow! Okay.
I have a thank you.
You have a glue. Okay, let's open.
You.
Let's open. So, meron tayong pencil case. Ito. So, meron tayong glue stick.
I have this too.
Oh, you have a pencil. We have a highlighter. We have red ball pen. Para sa mami siguro to. For checking. We have scissors.
Mama, dapat
Kitty scissors.
sa akin yun. Sa akin din yun.
Yes, lahat yan sa'yo, anak. We have glue. We have stamps. Mga stamps. And then, meron tayo pang tasa. 2 pantasa. Ayan. So, you can check on that, love.
Happy times in my
Okay. Okay. Andito na yung resibo ko from binayad ko sa kanila. It's here. So, that's mine. We have here a rag. Tignan natin kung para saan tong rag na to. Okay, that's a clay. Meron tayong clay. So, ito, may rag tayo. May color pen. Meron tayong colored popsicle sticks. Don't lose your stamp, my love. You put them inside. Put them inside. And then you close the zipper. Yan. And then, we have, meron din tayo. Lagay ko naman ito dito baka mahulog. Watercolor. Meron tayong hat. Para saan kaya tong activity na to? And apron. Look, may hat and apron, my love. That's so nice. Oh, you wanna wear it? Sige. Let's wear it. And then, you have a hat. Let's tighten it up muna. It's too big for you.
down.
Yeah, para hindi mahulog. Yeah. So, you have your hat. And then, meron tayong mini dustpan. Tabakbo na yung isa. Papakita sa kuya niya. We have a whiteboard with the whiteboard marker. We have crayons. For you, yes, my love. Oh, we have pointer tayo. Ayan na. Okay, this is pointer she will use for teaching. Meron tayong may posters. Sabi si ko ano yung poster. Nag-enjoy na siya dun. Let's look at the posters first. And personalized, may name niya. Ignis. So this we have the Ferris wheel chart. And then we have an alphabet poster. Yes, it touched my hair. So lagay ko muna dito. And then, what else do we have? Okay, so we have here, welcome to homeschooling. Meron tayong the welcome kit. So, it has the daily lesson plan guide, which is a suggested flow, homeschool primer, and teacher survival kit. Okay, I've been teaching for years. So, ngayon pa lang ako magkakaroon ng teacher survival kit. I'm excited to see what's inside. So, meron tayo dito yung lesson plans. Ito yung teacher survival kit. Ay, gusto ko to. Meron chocolate sa loob. And then we have here the...
I have this one.
Yes, wait, hold up. And then I have here the primer. Ayan. Put it here on the side. And then, hold up ng mahal. We also have another set of paints for watercolor. And then, meron tayong sing spell tickets. Ito, you're going to use this when you teach sing spell, read, and write para ma-point mo yung mga letters dun sa Ferris wheel. Yan. This is nice kasi this is smaller than the ones that we have. Para kahit si Bunso kanyang hawakan. Oh, and then we have here, hold up anak, meron tayong special events packet. Oh, this is something. So, inside, we have the COVID-19 activity, Buwan ng Wika, and the Grandparents' Day activity. And then, this is what I like. Kaya ako nag-decide na mag-enroll. Yeah! And kaya ako nag-decide na mag-enroll with Busy Bees kasi nakita ko sa kanila plan na and naka-divide na yung mga activities per week. Kasi yun yung kailangan ko na organize. You can get all the materials anywhere, online or sa iba't ibang mga stores, all the curriculum. Pero kasi pinakailangan ko right now is something that will help me in executing our homeschool kasi tatlo na yung tinuturuan ko. Yes, as a highlighter. Okay, so eto na yon. Inside, we have plastic envelopes. Ito. So, up to 7. Yes.
I have stamps.
Yes, he has stamps. So, here we have 7 envelopes. I hope we can reuse this para hindi naman sayang plastic. So, inside, we have, ito, per week lang nakalagay, ano yung activity for that. So, naka-include na yung mga worksheet, and then pati yung mga printouts, naka-print na rin. So, this is week 1. And then, we have here week 2. Daspan yan, love. May mga crafts na activity na dito. And then, week 3. May juice pa sa loob. Para saan kaya activity na yan? May juice. Week 4. Ayan, may macaroni na. Naka-ready na siya. With stickers and pom-poms. So, ito yung mga activities for that week. He wants to see the macaroni. And then we have week 5. Ayan. So, may mga foams na rin na naka-ready doon. So, may mga printouts talaga siya. Eh, ito yung na-appreciate kasi naka-ready na. I don't have to print. I don't have to cut. Naka-ready siya. Gagawin na lang. And I really need that in my life right now. Yes, you have that. So, this is week 6. And then, the last one is for week 7. Ito yung pinakamabigat. Week 7. And then, we have your bingo chips. Ayan, sa likod. So, those are the materials coming from the Busy Bees Learninghive. And I super love the teacher survival kit. We will have another video with all the pre-K materials that we'll be using for this school year for Ignis. And, yes, he's showing his stamp. And abangan niyo na lang po yung video na yon. Again, we would like to thank everyone. You have 2 stamps. Oh, can you tell them thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching.
Happy homeschooling!
For chatting.
Bye-bye!